Okay, for 91, right, A, the absolute value of 6 is 6. B, there's not a lot of work for these. The absolute value of negative 17 is 17, right, because it's the distance on a number line from negative 17 to 0, which is 17 units away. C is, there's a negative outside, and then the absolute value of negative 4.5 is 4.5, but that negative outside is still there. D comes out to be, the absolute value of negative 3, which is 3, right? E is the absolute value of 2 minus 3 times 5. That's 2 minus 15, right? Order of operations, which is negative 13. And the absolute value of negative 13 is 13, right? And the next one, F, is negative 2 times the absolute value of negative 2, which is 2. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. So F comes out to be negative 4.